Greetings, welcome to Just One Good Trade. Today we are going to explore the market open of the Russell 2000 market. It is 8:29. And here you have the 200 ticks chart, 400 ticks chart, and 800 ticks chart, giving us an ample view of what might happen. Now, if you look at the market, the trend is down, as you can tell, but then you never know what we're going to get. 8:29. I'm in. Okay. Let's see. So right now, this is a major resistance line. Let's see if it's gonna continue, or do we need to exit? Let's see if it's gonna cross the low. If not, this might be it. Let's see if it's gonna cross this major line. Okay, it did. Wonderful. Ooh. Wow. Okay, I'm out. Well, maybe I could have stayed. Let's see if it's gonna continue down. That being said, this is a, let's see. Okay. This is close to a 5-point trade, which is wonderful. Now, are we gonna have a reversal? When I'm looking at other charts, do we have a confirmation that it might reverse? Or is it gonna continue down? I'm not quite sure. Let's see. I'm looking at other charts, and it does seem that it's crossing a major support line. Let's see if it's gonna cross this low, or it might just happen that we are gonna get into a consolidation period. So let's see if it will cross this. I prefer 2 consecutive candles. Is it gonna cross? It's not crossing. Now, is it gonna give us a reversal here? It's possible. Okay. Let's see if it's gonna cross this line. If not, let's exit swiftly. Okay, it's not crossing this high. Ooh, it's possible for that it's not. Let's see. It's gonna reverse back up. I'm not quite sure yet. Is it gonna cross the previous high, which is here? Okay, let's get out. Let's see. Is it giving us trade down? Not quite sure yet. If it crosses the previous low, see, it's not crossing the candle's previous low. So let's see. Is it gonna give us at least 2 points? That'll be wonderful. Let's say from here, 65 to 63. Let's do this. Is it gonna cross the low? It's not crossing the low. The previous low is in here. Let's get ready for an exit. That could have been a great trade. Could still be. Still be if it crosses the previous low. Cross, not reverse back. Cross, not reverse back. Let's see. Is it gonna cross but not reverse back? We're not getting that decisiveness. Let's do this. Is it gonna cross it? It touched it, but didn't cross it. It touched it, but didn't cross it. We can do this. Wow, swift reversal. Are you gonna cross the low? Are you gonna cross the low now? You're gonna cross the low. It touched it, but it's not crossing yet. We want you to cross this. Wow. It's not touch, but didn't cross. Okay? Is it gonna cross? Ooh, get to the green. You can do this. There's a chance it might reverse here. Is it gonna cross the previous low? Is it going to cross the previous low? I'm gonna put this line here. Wow. Let's cross the previous low. Let's do this, market. Let's get to the green. I'm not getting that decisiveness that I'm looking for. Is it gonna cross the previous low? Is it gonna cross the previous? It touched it. Is it gonna cross it? Okay, wonderful. Let's see if it's gonna give us more points. Wonderful. This line here. Let's see if it'll give us 2 more points. That's it. Wow. That was a swift reversal, but yeah. I don't like that. But if I stayed, possibly. Could have I stayed? Possibly. I'm not quite sure. It's touching that low, but not crossing it. Crossing the low, but not touching the, okay. Could have stayed. I could have stayed. Yes. Okay, or maybe wow! Maybe I made the right decision. Now, let's look at this trade. This trade is an interesting trade. First, we have this wonderful movement that happened right at, oh wow, that was 8:30. At 8:30, I noticed that my setup was on, got in that trade. Now I got here. I exited somewhere around here. I'm not quite sure where I exited. Wow. Patience rod. But I exited somewhere here. And then there's a chance that it could have given us more a trade back up. It didn't. So we exited. And I noticed that it was my setup. As you can tell, the SMA cross. That's my bread and butter. As you also can tell, it's almost a continuation of that previous trade here. Almost the same signs, the same setup, almost the same resistance, bounce, and then cross. Almost the same thing. So I saw that, captured it. It's interesting because I stayed in this trade. I stayed from, let's say, from here, 36 to here. Wow, that's really, when you think about it, this reversal is a reversal of 8:36. 1 minute. It's a 1 minute quick reversal and swift back. That being said, could have I entered another trade? Maybe added another contract? Yes. And how much would it have given me? Let's see. From here, 64. Back here, 62. 2 points, which is wonderful. One can make a great living with 2 points every day. That being said, the level of risk would be high. But wow, look at this. Still going on. Wow. Wow. Sometimes you'd wish the market to have instead of this sinuous path of support and resistance, sinuous path of bounces and dips, to just go down in a way that's non-threatening, non-stressful, and physically peaceful. But if it was the case, not everyone would be doing this. Okay, I exited somewhere here, and again, let's see. This reversal is a reversal of 39. Wow, 40 seconds. We're having quick 40-second reversals that yield to, let's say, 61 to 2 points. So we're having dips of 2 points until the market reverses and goes back down. That being said, I enjoy having a sense of, well, I can tell you there is a support line on the 1835. There's a support line here. But am I going to risk 20 points with the idea that it might get all the way down here? Maybe not. I'm a scalper, and this doesn't fit my strategy. But that being said, very happy with what we created this morning. We had great trades, and let's keep them coming. That being said, have a wonderful day. Hopefully you were able to learn something. And remember, all you need is just one good trade, one good continuation trade, and one good reversal. Just one good trade. 2-3 points a day keeps the creditors away. Have a wonderful day.